The honourable member for the District of Humber East.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today to offer congratulations to David and Sarah Simmons of Pure Holsteins Limited in Little Rapids, being named Atlantic Outstanding Young Farmers for 2015. This award is an annual competition sponsored by various farming interests throughout Canada and is based on the following criteria: progress in agricultural career, extent of soil, water, and energy conservation practices, crop and/or livestock production history, financial and management practices, and contribution to the well-being of the community, province, and nation. The Simmons own and operate a 100-cow dairy farm and have made tremendous increase in their production since 2011. Their commitment to making a living in this honourable occupation is a testament to their hard work and dedication. Days are usually long and always filled with tasks and chores. Their accomplishments is certainly proof that farming can indeed be a successful venture for young people. David and Sarah will next month compete at the national level in Alberta in November. Mr. Speaker, I ask all honourable members to join me in congratulating David and Sarah Simmons as winners of the Atlantic Outstanding Young Farmers Award for 2015. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.